Hi, everyone. Welcome back to John English Talks. I'm Olivia.
And I'm John. Hello, friends. We're so happy you're here today.
Quick question, John. Have you ever been to a cafe in another country and felt nervous just ordering a coffee in English?
Oh, yes. I remember one time I wanted a cappuccino, but I couldn't remember the words. I ended up pointing at the menu and hoping for the best.
That's exactly how many of our listeners feel. And that's why today we're going to help you feel confident speaking English at a cafe.
Yes, by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say when you greet someone, order food and drinks, ask questions, and even make small talk.
And we'll also teach you some useful vocabulary so your experience is smooth and fun.
But first, friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and stay tuned for all our English learning tips.
All right, John, let's start with the first step. Imagine you walk into a cafe. What do you say?
The first thing is to greet politely. You can say, "Hi, good morning," or "Hello, how are you today?"
And the barista might reply, "Good morning. What would you like to order?"
Now it's your turn. If you want a cappuccino, you can say, "I would like a cappuccino, please."
Or if you want a sandwich, "Can I have a ham sandwich, please?" And don't forget, you can ask questions about options. For example, do you have soy milk? Or, is this sandwich vegetarian?
That's a good point. Asking questions shows that you are polite and interested in your order.
And sometimes the barista may ask, do you want it for here or to go?
A very common question. You can answer "for here, please," if you want to sit, or "to go, please," if you want to take it with you.
Let's do a short sample dialogue.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. What would you like to order?
I would like a latte, please. And do you have any pastries today?
Yes, we have croissants and muffins.
Great. I'll take a croissant as well. Thank you.
Perfect. That sounds natural and polite.
Now, let's talk about small talk at a cafe. Sometimes you want to ask for recommendations or comment on the menu.
For example, you can ask, what do you recommend? Or, which coffee is the most popular?
Or if you see a special today, you can say, "What's your special today?" It's simple and friendly.
And if you want to compliment the food or drink, you can say, this coffee is delicious. Or, I really like your muffin.
That's a great way to practice English and be polite. People love positive comments.
Now, let's learn 5 important words and phrases you can use at a cafe.
First, menu. The list of drinks and food you can order.
Example, can I see the menu, please?
Second, order. The food or drink you want to ask for.
Example, I would like to order a cappuccino, please.
Third, to go. For here. To take the food away or eat in the cafe.
Example, for here, please. Or, to go, please.
Fourth, recommend. To ask for suggestions.
Example, what do you recommend?
Fifth, special. Something unique or featured today.
Example, what's your special today?
Remember, friends, try to use these words naturally when you talk at a cafe. Don't worry if you make small mistakes.
Exactly. Practice is more important than perfection.
Now, let's review a full dialogue using these words.
Hi, can I see the menu, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. I would like to order a cappuccino. Do you have any specials today?
Yes, today we have a chocolate croissant special.
That sounds great. I'll take one, please. And for here, please.
Perfect. That's excellent English.
Friends, see how easy it is when you know the phrases and vocabulary.
Now for our question of the day. What would you order at a cafe? Write your answer in the comments.
using one of the new words you learned today.
And remember, practicing in real situations is the best way to improve. Try visiting a cafe and using these phrases.
Don't worry if you feel nervous. Everyone starts somewhere, and every small conversation helps you get better.
That's right. Be confident, be polite, and enjoy the experience.
That's all for today, friends. Thank you for joining us at John English Talks.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and stay tuned for our next episode. Next time, we'll talk about how to speak English at a restaurant.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing and see you soon.
Bye!